In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome default zoom settings. If you want websites to appear larger or smaller every time you browse, Chrome makes it easy to adjust your default page zoom. This is especially helpful if text feels too small to read comfortably, or if you want to fit more content on the screen without manually zooming in or out on every website. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to Chrome's main options and settings. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page, where you can customize different parts of the browser experience. If you've never explored this area before, don't worry. The option we need is easy to find. On the left side, or within the settings categories depending on your Chrome version, click Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and how content is displayed while you browse. It includes things like themes, font size, and the page zoom setting we're looking for. Once you're in Appearance, find the page zoom option. This setting controls the default zoom level Chrome uses for websites. Click on the Page Zoom drop-down menu and you'll see several percentage options. Lower percentages make pages look smaller, while higher percentages make everything appear larger. Now, simply select the zoom level you prefer. For example, if you want content to be easier to read, you might choose a larger percentage. If you prefer to see more of a web page at once, you can choose a smaller one. As soon as you select your preferred setting, Chrome will use that zoom level as the default for pages going forward. Keep in mind that this changes the default viewing size, which can make your browsing more comfortable and consistent. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference, especially if you spend a lot of time reading online. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default zoom setting in Google Chrome. If needed, you can always return to the same appearance section later and adjust it again until it feels just right for your screen and your eyes.